Now I click on View and make sure that Rules and Shape is selected. We are going to ultimately place our text on the side of the face that's brighter. That means the left side. If the light on your subject is evenly distributed, then you can place your text on the either side. Now go to the ruler on the left and drag out a grid line to the center of the document. If you don't see the grid line, then press Ctrl or Command with H. Now from the left toolbar, select Rectangular Marquee tool and then go to the top corner of the side of the face that has less shadow. Now drag a selection over half of the document and make sure that it snaps to the center guideline. Alright, now we create a new layer. To create a new layer, under the layer panel, I just click on Create a New Layer icon. In this empty layer, we will fill the selection with blank. And assume that your foreground color is black. And then press Alt, or if you are using Mac, then press Option and press Delete. To deselect this selection, press Ctrl D or Command D. To hide the grid line, press Ctrl or Command H. Now we add text on the left side of this image. To do this, from the left toolbar, I choose Text and click on this canvas. And after that, I set my font size in 100. And then from this drop down menu, I choose American Captain font. And I set the text color in white. If your text will be the left of your image, then click the align right. Or if your text will be the right of your image, then click the align left icon. But for this time, I just simply select right align text icon. Now I type stay hungry, stay foolish. Stay foolish. And now I type Steve Jobs. $1955. It says born date and 211. And using the move tool, I just set it in this position. And by selecting this air, I just make this little. And this time I increase this text block size. And now I hit on OK. Now I just navigate to the move tool and set it in this position. And selecting on this character icon, I just decrease the line spacing. Alright. To resize this text, from the layer panel, select this text layer and press Ctrl T to activate the transform mode. And then holding Shift and by dragging on this corner, I just make this bigger, like this. And now I just hit on OK and set it here. Now press Ctrl, or if you are using Mac, then press Command and click on this text layer to make a selection. Click on this eyeball to hide this text. Now from the layer panel, make sure that the black shape is active. Now press Delete key on your keyboard to delete the area inside the selection. Then deselect this. To deselect, I just simply press Ctrl D. If there are some areas of the portrait that are a little bit hard to read, don't worry about that, because I will show you how to make the words more legible. There is a simple trick to make this all text fully visible. To do this, at first I just press Ctrl- to zoom out our canvas. And from the layer panel, I just choose this Steve Jobs image layer and then press Ctrl T to activate the transform mode. And now holding Shift and dragging on this corner, I just zoom this image a little bit more. And now I set it in middle. Alright, now I hit on OK. Now from the left toolbar, I choose Dots tool and set the size in 200 pixel. And then make sure that you select project tones. And I set exposure 50%. Then from the layer panel, choose Steve Jobs image layer and then just brush it. To make your text more visible in the screen. Now I'm happy with this result. And that's it. In this way, you can easily create this type of powerful text portrait t-shirt design. Super cool, right? Thank you so much for watching.